Welcome, I'm Amanda. Thanks for joining me today for this mindful meditation on rest and recovery. Let's take this time to focus on the power of rest and recovery, essential for long-term well-being. We often pride ourselves on the amount of work we get done in a day, and let guilt creep in on those less productive days. Our bodies and brains require rest in order to recover from the demands of our busy lives. Research indicates that rest has many long-term benefits to include a healthier immune system, reduced stress, improved mood, and an enhanced ability to cope with burnout. Over the next few minutes, let's give ourselves permission to rest without judgment. Let us be reminded that prioritizing ourselves is productive. You can engage in this meditation practice as part of your decompression ritual after a long day of work or during a midday break, which can improve focus when returning to your work. Find a quiet, safe space, and then get into a comfortable position, sitting with your back straight, yet relaxed. Feel free to close your eyes, or leave them open and gaze gently downward at your lap. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your body relax with an exhale through your mouth. Again, take a deep breath in and then out, relaxing just a little more. I would invite you to take a moment and create a mental image of yourself engaging in a restful activity. Your brain and body are connected, so imagining a calming scenario will signal your body to unwind and release tension. Make the image as vivid and detailed as you can. Engage your senses. As you inhale, think about what you see and hear. Maybe you define rest as getting lost in a good book or taking a hot bath. Continue to take slow, deep breaths as you imagine the scents that might be present. Maybe you have a lavender-scented candle burning, or smell the fresh and inviting air as you take a walk in nature. Pay close attention to how reflecting on this time of rest makes you feel in this moment. Remember that rest is unique to you and can be energizing or relaxing. Take a moment to notice if your body feels more relaxed. Do you feel less tension in your shoulders, neck, or jaw? Is your breathing a bit slower? Is your heart rate steady? Focus on the sensation of breathing in slowly through your nose and then out slowly through your mouth. Take another slow breath in through your nose, silently saying to yourself, I am worthy of rest and relaxation. And then, as you exhale, relax your shoulders, releasing any tension you might be holding on to. Spend the next few moments noticing how you were feeling. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. Thank yourself for setting aside this time for rest and recovery. Carry with you a sense of calm, allowing it to be your anchor as you interact with your family, friends, team, and patients throughout the rest of the day. Thank you for joining me today for this mindful meditation.